this is Monica. Welcome back to my channel, Suds and Bees. Today we are making another video for our Summer Beach series. In today's video, we will be making this gorgeous Caribbean seaside body lotion. Because it is summer, I wanted to make this body lotion mostly water. This body lotion only contains 10% oils and the rest of it are liquids. I have selected coconut fractionated oil. One, because coconut seems like an appropriate oil to use for a Caribbean body lotion. Also because coconut fractionated oil is different than your regular coconut oil, which actually absorbs very quickly. I've used also Sea Buckthorn oil for its orange color to the lotion. We'll also be adding Aloe Vera solution for nice humectant and soothing properties to the skin, especially during the summer. And to make it more of a Caribbean body lotion, we will be using Mango Papaya fragrance oil by Nurture Garden. The scent of this fragrance oil is very fruity and it smells like a Caribbean drink. So I thought it was very appropriate for our theme. So come on, let's go make it. For my water face, I will be using a 600 milliliter beaker. 292 grams of distilled water. 20 grams of vegetable glycerin. 2 grams of Allantoin. Allantoin. For my oil face, I will be using a 1000 milliliter beaker because I am making a total of 14.11 ounces. So I will be pouring my water phase into my oil phase where everything is going to combine in here. 36 grams of fractionated coconut oil. 8 grams of Sea Buckthorn Berry Oil. 100 milliliter beaker for my Cooldown Phase. 20 grams of Aloe Vera solution. 8 grams of DL Panthenol, vitamin B5. To dissolve your DL Panthenol thoroughly. Once it's all dissolved, you can add your preservative into your Cooldown Phase. And I apologize, my camera turned off, but I am using a different scale for my Cooldown Phase because it's such a small portion. In this container, I will be adding my preservative and my fragrance oil. I have added 2 grams of liquid germal plus, which is a preservative at 0.5%. And I will be adding 8 grams of the Mango Papaya fragrance oil. Okay, so now I want to measure my water phase to make sure that I can replace any water lost during the heating. Just write it here. 546 grams for H2O phase. And any water that you lose, you can go ahead and replace it with preheated distilled water. So I will go and put both of my beakers in a warm bath for 156 degrees for 20 minutes to make sure everything disinfects. And I'll be right back to emulsify. Okay, so I have heated up my 2 water phase and my oil phase. I have replenished the 1 gram lost of the water phase during the heating process. So I will go ahead and pour my water phase into my oil phase. Oh no, y'all, I forgot to add the polawax to my formula. So this is not going to emulsify. Dang it. You know, let me try and save this. I'm going to let this sit and let the oil rise to the top and go melt. Go put this back all together in the water bath and melt my polawax and add it in. And we'll see. Let's cross our fingers. I went to go and melt it real quick. And I'm hoping this will work and I can save my product. If not, I may still upload this video. Just so y'all can see. So let's hope. I think it's emulsifying. Okay, I'm gonna let it cool off. Let's see if it emulsifies. Now we're gonna have to make this over again. Okay, so I let my formula sit overnight and it emulsified very nicely. I'm very happy that I was able to save the lotion, even though I forgot to add the polawax to the oil phase. So the trick, if that ever happens to you, is make sure you add it to your formula while your oils are still above. So what I did is I added my polawax and then I just mixed it at the surface so the oils would mix, and then I let it emulsify. So I'm very happy that I was able to save it. I was kind of worried about losing all the product. So I'm going to go ahead and give it one more whip and go ahead and package it. And it smells amazing. The scent is not too strong, but it's also not too subtle. It's just perfect at 2%. And so to package it, I have selected this 4-ounce pump bottle. And the formula only contains 10% oil, which is very fluid, so it allows you to use a pump bottle. So I did that thinking of the bottle that I was going to be using. Okay, so this should be fluid enough where we can just pour it in without the need of a funnel. We just created some Caribbean seaside body lotion. Thank you for watching. See you next time.